Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a DIY lifestyle trailer. I'm excited to show you guys some of my favorite projects and tips to help make your life easier and more enjoyable. First up, we have DIY projects. DIY projects are a great way to save money, and they're also a lot of fun. I love finding new DIY projects to work on, and I can't wait to show you guys some of my favorites. Whether you're looking to add some personality to your home or you just want to get creative, there's a DIY project out there for everyone. And with my step-by-step tutorials, you'll be able to tackle any project with confidence. Next, we have lifestyle tips. Lifestyle tips are all about making your life easier, more enjoyable, and more fulfilling. From healthy living to organization, I'm here to share my favorite tips and tricks with you. Living a healthy and organized lifestyle does not have to be complicated. With my easy to follow tips, you'll be able to improve your life in no time. Thanks for watching my DIY lifestyle trailer. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified of new videos. Also, let me know in the comments below what kind of DIY or lifestyle videos you'd like to see. Until next time, take care.